So what are the benefits of EPDs? As the marketplace becomes more aware of the problem that we're facing, as well as the demand by regulatory bodies increases, EPDs are basically a way to benchmark how your product is performing against your competition. So see how your product stacks up against other products on the market. It also allows you to identify hotspots. For example, if a particular raw material causes most of the emissions or a process in your manufacturing process, that's the one that you should address first. So it lets you identify how to improve your product. In addition, as I mentioned, your customers as well have more and more stringent carbon requirements. So to fulfill their requirements, they'll also demand that your products have lower emissions. In some markets, actually, this becomes sort of license to operate. So you actually need to have an EPD to participate in certain tendering processes, or at least it's one of the criteria in the tendering processes. And also we see more and more markets where there's actually limit values for the environmental impact for buildings, and therefore also the products that go into those buildings need to have low emissions. In short, maybe to summarize it, EPDs will allow you to differentiate your product, provide transparency, and fulfill regulatory and tendering requirements.